Hi, my name is Ian Wallace. I'm the founder of Counselling Wakefield, which is based in Wakefield. This process that I'm doing with you is just to give you a short summary of what somatic therapy is, in my view. And somatic therapy is the space between, and the space between us and the clients, and the transfer of information that goes through those processes. That transference, as we sometimes call it, can be felt in the body. It can be a physical process. And sometimes when we're with clients, we will physically feel things or sense things with our intuitiveness that actually is sometimes quite bizarre and sometimes kind of hard to pin down. But whatever is affecting us is affecting a process that we feel that we need to understand. So in order to do that, using our gut instinct, using transference, using our own body, in order to understand what's happening between you and the client or clients, can help you understand lots of different aspects of what the client may or may not be feeling, even though they're not necessarily presenting that to you. When we look at somatic therapy and we look at working with it, it's a very vulnerable place for us as counsellors, as therapists, because we have to use our own body to sense a process, which sometimes can be very awkward, sometimes can be very confusing. But if you can use somatic therapy and you can understand it and enhance it, then that will give you an awful lot more information in the room with the client that you'll then be able to help them and understand maybe where they are, what they're feeling, what the emotions are going through them, by using your own sounding board through your 5 senses. If you want to understand any more about somatic therapy, then obviously you can get a hold of me, Ian Wallace, at www.counsellingwakefield.co.uk. And I'll be more than happy to kind of give you some insight into how I see it and how I work with it over the last 20 years. If you feel that you're a client and you want them to understand some of these processes, then obviously connect with a counsellor who has somatic therapy as part of their skill set. And that's obviously available on Counselling Directory. And you can then kind of work and understand who would be best placed to help you. So my name's Ian Wallace, it's Counselling Wakefield. Take care, have a good life.